Rise and flying, boys. It's duck catching time. Y'all tell people, hey, how y'all doing? How y'all doing?
What up?
We're gonna get them this morning. Coldest hunting day. I don't know. I thought the man said forever for wind chill, but probably more like coldest day in a long time for wind chill. I don't know. We're going hunting though. Let's get them. Good Lord, man. I feel like Corey's gun is twice as light as mine is. Like my gun heavy.
Yeah, them brown ones are pretty damn light. And you don't really realize how light they are until you probably a big carry the other one.
Yeah.
Because I've been carrying this one so long now, I don't notice it.
Yeah, I don't notice it now either, but when I pick up my Remington, I'm like, dang, it's heavy.
Yeah. Huh? That is a deer rib cage. Yeah, that's an entire deer rib cage. I don't think anybody came this far in to dump it either. Something done ate that. I think it died and here somebody shot it or something, or maybe it just died of other causes, but something done picked it apart. There's a little bit of a hole right there. Hang on. Okay, there's the water there.
Yeah, we got something after that.
All right, right here. This is a man trying to tightrope, and ain't exactly the tightroping type.
That sounded expensive.
Well, it ain't as expensive as it sounded like it would be. Damn. Tripod down. Well, now I ain't got to worry about should I put it in the water because it's already done it.
Here I go. I don't know what the hell I'm shining this like I'm shining a light, but I got batteries and wings. Look, just put the other one in and you turn them until they lock.
See, this top part of this pole will fit in there, and the other pole, but they don't really lock in.
What Mojo needs to do is put the cord inside there, like a bungee cord, so all them can poles stay together.
You got a piece of tubing that long? I mean, that big? But like 6 foot tall.
Probably not specifically that size.
I just need to fit this little hub on this thing.
Yeah, it ought not to be hard to find a piece like that.
Today probably wouldn't be a day that had the zip ties on it.
Here, hold that, kid. So I can... Apparently, I wind all this.
I seen a guy the other day, he had some kind of base, and he shot a duck. And then he skinned the duck. Made like a live hide decoy. I got 4 batteries.
Oh, just they brand new batteries. It's been in the water. I've had it 3 years or so.
They sent you the part for that one?
Oh yeah, that one's back on.
I'll try to go on the site. They don't send any parts for the Mojo Rippler.
No. You probably just called him.
Throwaway duck.
I guess he broke off.
What,
The thing that holds the weight. I don't know what to do about it right now.
Oh.
You got that not so graceful.
Where are we posting up at, Brian?
Huh? Say it ain't deep enough, like it's stepped up in my ass.
It looks like it from here. It looks like it's just that hole you're in, Brian. Like it's like one little area right there. All right, so we made it out here to the dam. Boys are out there getting the decoy set up now. getting close to shooting light, so hopefully this will be made it out here to the dam. I don't understand why the light ain't staying on. All right, we're out here. Man, why the light ain't staying on, Corey?
They ain't hold a button or something?
No, it's just it won't stay on. It's supposed to. I guess I don't know if it's maybe dead or something.
It does stay on this side.
All right, so we're out here on the dam. Boys are out there getting the decoy set up. It's almost shooting light, so we should have some ducks flying soon. Let's get it. This won't have to be as good as we're gonna get it, I think.
It was 6:51. What it was, it's 6:45 now. 6 minutes.
It sounds like a dumb idea.
Shit, this could be good. They should
They're
way early. Brag on, straight to them, boy. We're gonna kill them.
They're gonna come from behind us again. I bet. We were here.
Good shot there. What do you think I'll do in the face if you damn ever look up? You, bro. The hell are you throwing?
He's practicing.
Yeah, ducky. The other day on the other end of the swamp line. You guys gonna kill them all.
He missed a shot down there and killed like 25 ducks. They killed all of them. Not yet. That's probably the last one.
And then they're gonna bring the beaver dam way out further.
They everywhere.
That was up the swamp from there.
Yeah, that's the next to it over to most people hunt at it.
Well, I was wondering if it was in this swamp run just further down.
I think it is. Yeah, I think it's just further up that way a little bit. And it sounds like the other one's probably the same swamp run but further down.
Maybe right here.
That's crows. I might as well put one of them calls in the bag. I got a couple of them.
I don't know where the ducks would be, like the majority of them right now.
Well, the problem is
I know
right
it's been
now.
cold everywhere.
Well, the problem is right now there's so much water. Like just riding down the highway the last couple of days.
Well, that's why I thought this
I
would
see
be.
thousands and thousands of acres that usually ain't water, but it's just fucking like flooded timber right now.
That's why I thought this would be real bad here. I remember how deep it was last time. Like right now, we'd be standing up to a ding dong. It was like it was last time.
Yeah.
Some of y'all be up to y'all chest.
AKA Brian. You say you lay your feet on Brian's shoulder?
How I am be Brian.
Something
You the one talking about Brian. I was just saying. Like I was talking about y'all boys sitting down. Dang, I wasn't ready for that.
Why'd you shoot there, Leroy? Huh? Stop looking at your feet.
Duck other than the two. Y'all see the two?
I ain't see them. I heard
I didn't see them.
I heard two.
I hate to see it. They came from our. They were straight up over our head. Came from this way, flying out that way. They were high though. I thought he decoy out to shoot it.
It ain't no good for nothing. Unless you're gonna keep it painted black for a casino duck decoy, we're gonna throw it up and shoot it.
I'm going to let y'all start this.
You'd be the only one shooting.
You step out in front of me. I don't want you shooting there.
Throw it out there so we can go get it again when you don't. We gonna stay pouring it.
Okay, let's do that.
Let's hold up high.
Go ahead and get your gun up on your shoulder.
Okay, good.
I want to give you the best chance you got.
That's gonna do it. He can shoot
Oh,
that.
no, don't shoot his head.
He can shoot that. Cool.
I think it just shoots at your hand, didn't it?
No, it broke. Only if I throw it by the head. For you, this way you're short, man. Alright, if it gets down low, Corey, don't shoot the decoys in the water.
I'm gonna shoot that. You're
So shoot Brian, not mine.
Don't shoot that.
I got only one out there, don't shoot it.
Alright, give me a hand.
Hold on, hold on. I had the camera backwards, man. Oh, I gotta get behind you a little bit. Alright, go ahead.
He didn't hit it. Wide hit it.
I didn't hit that up.
So that's good. Oh, I haven't hit it. He didn't hit it.
Hey, that bitch sounded weird, didn't it? Yeah. It didn't sound like woo. It sounded like a dud.
See if he hit it.
I don't think he hit it, man.
The reaction video did not get in it. Didn't get in it. Dang, hate to see it.
It did sound like that shot. Did sound like a dud.
Before you hit that duck, man.
Ain't no way. I literally aimed right at it. Hate to see it.
Hate to see
I told
it.
you my gun's broken, bro.
Told you my gun was broken.
I mean, I feel like the thing's dry enough, it probably would have knocked the chunk out of it.
Hold on there.
Okay,
Hold on.
the tree's right there. You want it right in the tree or left the tree?
I didn't throw it straight up.
It's raining.
Soda. Ryan ain't hit it either.
You crazy as hell.
Okay, I thought he something flat when he hit it.
I don't know.
I'll be done.
You see the wad fly?
There ain't no way I didn't hit it.
Oh, dang.
That's for me.
It didn't even penetrate it. Brian used to that.
My dad threw it straight. My dad.
I didn't mean to throw it straight up.
My dad threw it straight up.
Oh, man.
You can see it when I hit it the first time.
No, this is 3.5. It's fun.
Yeah, I took him backwards out. So at least.
No.
Yeah, I'm about to blow my head off.
He's wrong, bro. He hit shit else, but I can hit him.
Too big. You're taking my mobility over there. Alright.
You didn't get that.
I think I shot right on top of it.
You didn't get that.
Alright, Kev. You hit it?
It didn't move when you shot like it did with mine. Out there a little bit. Boy, you ain't gonna play no football. He is gonna be the kicker.
Who's shooting?
Huh?
Who's shooting?
I guess. Brandon is, isn't it?
I'll let Kevin go. Is it on, Kev? Yes. Is it on? You shooting, Brandon?
You play back up.
You ready?
I don't want no excuses.
You ready?
God! Shoot a watt ball.
That's right.
An extra full. That ain't no good no more.
Alright, Kevin.
Hey. Guess I'm gonna do it.
Well, you only know if I use now. I just did the thing after you.
I'll put the decoy.
You ready?
I think so. No, I hear she did the front flip. Hey. Alright, so now we know who in the swamp hitting ducks and who ain't, alright? Just so y'all know. If y'all get to wondering who shot what, they'll be like, yeah, can't remember that time. Yeah, all three hit it. I ain't missed one. Well, you didn't miss neither. I guess me and you hitting them, the rest of them ain't doing shit this time.
Man.
I hit it. Huh? You hit on the second shot, man. Second shot on a duck flying at like literally 5 miles an hour.
I can't hit right flying across the face. didn't think you did, Kev.
My bullet was a dud.
Did you get it flipping?
Yeah. My bullet was a dud.
No, you nipped the black piece on it, Kev.
I shot it in the head, Brandon. Where you supposed to hit it at? I shot it in the ass then. Where you ain't supposed to shoot it at?
My bullet was a
I had to
dud.
shoot it on one end or
You
the other.
definitely ain't putting no pellets in like me and Brian did.
I shot a two and I shot a two and what is it?
Like
three
that was
and
mine
two
that
and
was
a half?
there. Brian cut it in the air.
Alright, throw it up.
I guess you.
Right there,
I bring you. Well, that's, I can't help you. Got an extra piece of dick hanging on them.
You shot the base of it. You trying to feed off, man.
My bullet was a dud.
I heard it all now.
What are you throwing at?
The man done the fault bill. Man, they got in the thing already.
Alright.
So,
I got it.
so on top of that move.
Kevin's in a flip.
I'm pretty sure I got
He
it.
shot on top of that jar. A gun was pointing on top of it anyway. So much for a 14-degree wind chill.
It doesn't feel bad. Once we got here, I was like, might be a good hunt. But
I think we needed the 14-degree to push some ducks around the top. Oh, yeah.
I think I hit it.
all right, Corey, just throw it out there and water squad, man.
Hold on.
Why you so close?
When the man.
Oh yeah, when you water squat them, that's
This motherfucker too. Get there, man. Here's her again, man.
I'm out of bullets.
See a man.
I'm out of bullets.
I got one for you.
When the ducks aren't flying, we're killing decoys.
I don't know how I missed the duck. Decoy.
That's why Corey never got no bullets. That's what he be doing all the time. He come to the duck hunt with like, I got 6 bullets. Why didn't I get a box last week? How close you get to it, Corey?
No, Corey, not like that. Do it like you just did.
Why do you look
I like that he looked back.
I can't do it, bro.
I like that he looked back and didn't even. He wasn't even looking at
You
it.
look down.
They looked back at me or something. It was like, it wasn't even.
I was trying to get cool looking.
It was cool. Like it was like if LeBron had done it.
Alright, I got you.
Shoot from here and aim at it, man. It's not like you pissed off we ain't killing no ducks.
Man, we ain't killing no ducks. They started shooting.
What in the hell are you doing?
Quit, bro.
Oh, you gotta take your time, Corey. You try to show off with something.
I'm like flinching or something. I don't understand.
You just.
Look, I hit it. It's sunk in the water.
You crazy as hell, that is. You full of shit. Yeah. The first one, if it hit it, skipped and hit it.
This is some fun.
You not that mallard off that phone.
The second one burned up. Second two burned us up.
Then what's up? Take that hard.
If you gonna shoot the mojo, I definitely got to get that on.
When I get ready to retire mine, or if it finally stops working, we might do a visit. Hey, let's go fishing. Right here?
Who's gonna do this? Right here?
Yeah.
Who you gonna talk to?
I done caught the first fish today.
Where?
Oh, you got a brim?
Yeah, it's alive.
That's cool.
I found one while we were hunting that
Were you standing on the bridge?
Alright.
Damn.
I've heard on the ice, Brian.
I know.
Where's the ice?
Hello?
Hold on, moving around. See?
Yeah,
Oh, hold on, man. That's a good thing not to figure it out.
Yeah, there's not much water.
Don't you want to watch it? I think keep your head out. Well, the camera knows who the best shooter is. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Yerkit Racing.
We'll call this video 4 men, 1 decoy.
We got a limit of decoys out. They do all the kind of drunk and shit. They fuck this stuff up.
It's illegal off the beach.
Hey, I'm on the phone. So we're shooting a decoy we found. The dot's on top of the barrel. Okay.
The freeze off your gun, bro. The trigger ain't triggering.
The trigger ain't triggering.
The shooting stick ain't shooting. See, I don't think Corey knows how to use a gun. I thought his gun will never work. He blames it on the gun. He flips like a shot through it.
I had it that time.
It's just gotta be.
This is my gun.
No, it's
Shoot
just.
your gun.
It's just gotta be deer height. You're used to shooting deer.
I don't know how you shoot them either.
How many ducks I killed this year?
Corey, you just gotta remember the bead is above it.
I killed 7 ducks and 1 decoy.
The bead is on the top of the barrel.
Corey, you better go over there
So
and say
you don't
something.
want to put the bead.
What's wrong with your gun now?
Still sitting where you shot it from.
That's a good one shot I am. The duck don't leave.
He did a flip and landed back. He looking at you. It's still alive and standing up.
It's dead in his trap.
They do a cover gun now.
I see
Yeah, there's some pellets. I see 2 or 3.
Some water fell out.
Yeah, it's kind of felt like that. I'm just gonna change the pitch if you hold it.
I can't do it. I have to get.
Don't go wrong. All you gotta do is blow. No, I'm not changing anything. All right, look, this is what you do with that call. Take this call, you know. I'm saying that's how you tell when the call's breaking. See how the call breaks just by putting the pressure in? You're not changing your call.
Done.
Go. And then you.
I fill it up for you, but I don't know what thing I can do for you. I mean, I feel my truck every Friday.
You better be broke. Why y'all about y'all just bought this man?
I bought the truck, the rest is his.
Y'all just bought like a camera or something.
His mom.
A lot of places I look at they will hire
Put it back in the mud.
I'm doing them.
Put it back in the mud. Throw it back down there.
Longer draw.
I don't know what that means.
Long draws, man.
Like a black song.
Long draws.
It's like not. You're not. Just blow long. Well, wrong call. Longer blows.
You can't be afraid of the cord.
Why you going to?
We killed 0 ducks. It ain't our fault, really.
Hey, you going that here for? You going that way?
It's really your main host fault, Yerkit. He can't hit him.
Every time we bring the camera, man, shit don't ever work.
I tried to tell you that. That's why I stopped putting the camera on my gun. You gonna leave that GoPro here, Gus?
Your GoPro.
I thought somebody got it up. My bad.
I got it. Hold up, Yerkit. He almost forgot y'all. He said y'all ain't important. I'll carry you, but I don't.
This on cord to walk in. It must have been half-ass frozen earlier.
I'll carry it.
You still on? Yeah. Well, boys, we came, we tried. No ducks again today. God almighty.
God.
Man down. Man. That got a terrible hole in my boot, got stuck in it. Ah, this is up. Oh.
You got the deepest hole ever.
Hold on. Put that right there. I think. That thing. Oh, I can't get up, man.
You like quicksand? What's that leg up? Oh, that leg, okay.
I can't get this far enough around.
What's stuck? This leg right here?
No, ain't neither one stuck. I just can't get back up on them.
You got no flexibility.
It's because of how I fell. I fell forward.
Yeah.
Ah, that sucks. Almost got out of here without having to do that stupid
Mid posting interview too.
Yeah. Damn, I need my hot hand back. Alright. So as I was saying, before I got rudely interrupted by falling down, didn't see any ducks again. Oh. And also, I'm getting too old for this. But got me a nice little fall down on camera, hopefully. Probably won't look like nothing, but since it was facing forward. Anyway, appreciate y'all coming along. Sorry we couldn't get on anything.
Trying to land on some good.
Hopefully next time will be better. We'll catch you on that one. Peace.